This Aventador has been left to the jungle elements, rusted, shattered, and forgotten. From a rusted jungle wreck to a fully restored green Lamborghini Aventador, every panel, engine part, and
Witness the full transformation from a jungle ruin to a showroom-ready green Lamborghini Aventador. Inside.
This Lamborghini Aventador sits abandoned in the depths of the jungle, completely rusted with broken glass. Carefully inspecting every angle, we map the route and call the crane operator, preparing to lift this fully rusted Lamborghini Aventador.
With precision, the crane lifts this rusted Lamborghini Aventador from the jungle. Chains secure every corner, capturing the full.
Carefully secured on the truck bed, this rusted Lamborghini Aventador begins its journey from the jungle to the restoration studio.
Arriving at Classic Restore Hub, the fully rusted Lamborghini Aventador is carefully unloaded by crane, every angle captured. Inside Classic Restore Hub, every detail of this rusted Lamborghini Aventador is inspected under studio lights. The Lamborghini Aventador undergoes a deep studio wash, removing mud, leaves, and loose rust flakes, revealing the truth.
Using precise sanding techniques, the team removes rust and old paint from every surface of the Lamborghini Aventador, restoring the.
The Aventador's engine is meticulously disassembled and inspected. Every piston, valve, and with careful primer application and precise welding touch-ups, the Aventador's body is smoothed and reinforced.
The Lamborghini Aventador is now cloaked in a vibrant green paint, applied with precision to reveal its stunning supercar curves and pristine finish. Every component of the Aventador is carefully reassembled, from engine to interior, ensuring perfect fitment and a flawless, showroom-ready appearance.
With every glass panel and light perfectly installed, the Aventador shines like a green supercar masterpiece, every detail restored to perfection. The transformation is complete. From a rusted jungle wreck to a fully restored green Lamborghini Aventador.
Behold the Lamborghini Aventador in all its glory. Every curve and contour gleaming with flawless green metallic paint.
The Aventador's interior has been meticulously restored. From the leather seats to the dashboard, every detail exudes luxury and perfection.
If you love this transformation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Classic Restore Hub for more incredible car restorations.